Okay, mommy. This is the most best thing that you ordered, and this is the most delicious thing in the store. So, we want to use a butterfly that is one in the burger, and she brought her little friend away, and they brought a star, which is meant that they are asking you if it's yummy or not. And they bring, and then I made you the burger, and then the hot dog, and then I just had a confetti because to be most delicious and so good. Oh wait, I brought you water because if you might choke or get thirsty. Oh wait, and the fairy, and then this fairy and the horse brought you this because this is the most special thing that they have ever bought.
Wow. Is that all?
Yes. Well, do you wanna take a bite at the burger?
What made that special? What is the most special in your dish?
This one, because the fairy and the horse brought it and they made it magical.
Wow.
And the second is this, and then the third is this.
Okay, how much is that?
Just 1,000.
Wow.
Because this is the most expensive thing in the restaurant.
Wow.
The menu is right.
Okay, thank you. Is that for me?
Yes. Because you ordered it.
Wow, thank you.
Now we'll take a bite.
Tutulog na ako pero ang heavy pa rin ng meal ko.
Just
Where's my diet niyan?
a bite. Wait, give it to me. I'm gonna subo. Wait. I'm gonna take your mouth. This is your mouth now, so your mouth's gonna take a big bite. There! It's so yummy! It's so yummy!
Ang takaw naman ng mouth na yan.
It's your mouth, by the way.
Okay. Siya, tutulog na. Bite lang kasi, midnight na eh.
No! Your mouth wants to finish all of this. So she just kept doing
Ay, naglandi na.
No.
Good night. Esa, good night.